Good morning, this is Keith All, and in today's tutorial we're going to do something a little bit different, and we're going to talk about what is the purpose of an Optin funnel. So the beginning stages of any funnel is you have to be able to drive traffic to that funnel. Now in case of an Optin funnel, you could have many different outside sources. It could come from an email, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook Messenger, or even Facebook. Of course, this does not exhaust all the outside sources, but these are just examples of where outside traffic could come to your Optin funnel, or basically a mini website. So the Optin page is basically there to entice the user to be able to exchange their name and email to be able to get to your product or free ebook or whatever it is that you're offering them. But once they do opt in, though, they are on your email list, which is what you want to do, because just in case that they don't wind up buying your product along this funnel pathway, you could always communicate with them, providing that they don't unsubscribe from your list. You could send them future emails explaining to them about your product or service. And those emails could wind up signing up for any of your subscription products. Could be a high ticket product that could be, could be $200, $300, whatever that price point is for you, or it could be any other offer. So that's why that it's very important that you collect their name and email address. So because as you know, anything that comes from, like, say, Facebook or whatever, your friends list, remember that belongs to Facebook. But as long as you get their name and email address, now it becomes part of your business, and you could communicate with them as long as they are subscribed to your list. So the next stage of an Optin funnel could be a bridge page. A bridge page is basically an introduction page that kind of talks a little bit about yourself and what you can offer your subscribers. Now from the bridge page, they'll be directed then to a product sales page. Now let's go back to the bridge page a little bit. A bridge page could have a video of yourself on there, or it could be all text explaining about what that subscriber is going to see on the next page. So the product sales page is obviously what they were sent to this Optin funnel for, so they could see that. And then if they then choose to buy the product, they could have another chance to get an upsell or possibly a downsell. This is just a small little Optin funnel, but it doesn't necessarily have to follow this pathway. But anyways, a product upsell is basically, instead of like a $7 product, now we're offering them something like a $200 product. And I don't have something here, but let's say they don't opt in to an upsell. Well, the next page could be a downsell product. So from whatever the upsell page is. And then eventually they get forwarded to a thank you page. So this is in general what an Optin funnel could look like. Of course, you could set it up differently, but I just wanted to basically give you an idea of what an Optin funnel is and how it could help you out. And again, an opt-in funnel could be used for any type of business. It could be used for affiliate marketing, network marketers, real estate agents, digital marketers. Could be used for any type of business model out there. So hopefully this short tutorial gave you a clearer picture of what an opt-in funnel is and how it could help you in your business. And I want to thank you for stopping by today. I appreciate you spending some time with us. And remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you care to be notified of any upcoming videos, then click on that bell notification. And always, please like, share, and comment. It helps my YouTube channel out, and it helps me gain more ideas and more future tutorials out there for you. So thanks again for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.